folks that are helping out here today are all volunteers and are folks that are interested in helping out the Lake Hudson Pheasant Co-op, and that cooperative is a number of Pheasants Forever chapters. It is local landowners, and then a bunch of folks that are just interested in pheasant hunting. There was a young man who just somehow found out about it and has recently joined Pheasants Forever, so he's out here too. And what we're doing is we're clearing a fence row here in a field that was becoming overgrown, and the idea is that we're going to try and have about a 90-acre block of a contiguous block of grassland habitat, which will benefit grassland species as well as ringneck pheasant. So we stack these brush piles. They'll sit here until next winter, and then crews will come back when we have snow cover, and we'll burn these brush piles, and then the rest of the field here will be herbicided several times this summer, prepping it for planting next spring. So we'll burn the brush piles, we'll herbicide the fields, get them all prepped, and then we'll come in and plant a nice variety of warm season grasses and prairie forbs next spring. The concept of this pheasant cooperative is that in this particular co-op, Lake Hudson will kind of serve as the hub of habitat, of pheasant habitat. So we're trying to target at least 500 acres of grassland habitat here at Lake Hudson Recreation Area, and we have a stretch goal of 670 acres, and that will kind of serve as the hub to hold good numbers of pheasants, and then some other folks that are part of the cooperative, whether they have their land in one of the government programs like CRP or CREP, will make their grasslands more productive. The idea is to try and reach a critical mass of habitat in a kind of a restricted geographic area, and with that approach, we think that we can bring pheasant numbers back to kind of those same numbers that we used to have.